What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 123, and today's topic will be how to combine multiple chains using runnable in LangChain. Okay, so let me actually going to explain what I'm going to do. Okay, so just hold on. Let me show you from a document point of view. Okay. Okay. So let's say you have a chain 1 and you have chain 2. Okay, you have created. Let's say imagine you have created two chains. Basically, here user is going to send an input, and then output will actually going to be used as an input to this chain, and after that you are going to the user is actually going to get a response back. Okay, right. So this is input here. This is output, but this will be input to this chain. Okay, input, and this output will be actually the final output from here. Okay, that is what we want to achieve using runnable. Okay, so we can do we can create two chains. First we can execute this chain, and after that we can actually going to take the output into a different variable, and again we can send it to a into this chain as an input, and again we will be going to capture the output. That is the classical thing we all know, that will be going to create two chain, two input variable, two output variable. But here first we'll be going to achieve this scenario, that we'll be going to only run one chain execution, maybe the combination of these two. Okay, the combination of these two I just want to execute. Like I want to create a composed chain from these two, or the complex chain or compound chain, and it will going to execute this one single thing, and it will do the complete task. That is what first I'll be going to do, and then I'll be going to show you how to use a special thing called runnable to do this thing together more easily. Okay, first thing first, from LangChain OpenAI import add OpenAI, right? Then from LangChain core dot prompts import. Okay, at prompt template, I think we need a str output parser, right? Because we just want to parse our string, right? So it should be from LangChain core dot uh, what will be core dot output parsers import str output parser. So first thing first, let's set up the LLM. Okay, so check prompt template, then it will be model equals to GPT-4. Done, right? Now what we'll do, we'll be going to create uh, the first chain. Okay, so before that let's create a prompt. Okay, here PT prompt, so it will be at prompt template dot from template, I believe is from template, and here I'll be just going to write uh, uh, um, explain the topic. I just want to explain something. We'll see what I am going to explain. Okay, done. Now we'll be going to create something called chain. So chain will be first prompt. Okay, prompt, then LLM, type separated LLM, and then str output parser. Okay, right? That is the first chain. Okay, right now I can execute this chain dot invoke, I can get the answer, I can create a second variable, output variable, and again I'll be going to call the second chain. That is the classical thing. Here we'll be going to do it using single execution. How to do it, we'll see it now. Now the next thing is actually final prompt. Final prompt. Okay. Okay. So final prompt will be what? From template. Okay. Dot from template. And here I'll be just going to write. Okay. Uh, maybe the usage of the following. Okay, done. Now again final prompt. Okay, the final chain. Final chain will be what? Final chain will be actually this thing. Remember, final chain is actually uh, this prompt. Okay, this prompt. Okay, but this prompt is actually going to get, means this following is actually going to get the result from here, right? So what is actually going to happen, this following will get the value from this chain, right? Because the output is actually coming from here. Try to understand. I want to know the following, and that following will actually going to come from here. Okay, okay, right. Okay, so how we are going to write it here, that is very interesting. It will be again a dictionary. Okay, like this, right? Now I can easily write A for LOW following is going to come from this chain, right? Okay, then now remaining things we can easily do it, right? So then it will be final prompt, then LLM, it will be final prompt, right? Then LLM, and then your output parts are here. I didn't give the spaces, so you can give it, no problem. Okay, just to make it more beautiful, and better, right? Now here what will happen, we'll be going to execute this final chain. Okay, so once we execute this final chain, everything will come. Okay, so if we response, okay, final chain dot invoke, right? And here I'll be just going to pass the topic. Okay, so okay, now topic will be what? So let's do some interesting thing here. Okay, I'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, give me only names for the top 100 scientific theorem theory. Okay, okay, so let it type. Okay, 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 let's see whether it is actually going to give me the response or not. Let's do it with print. Okay, okay, response, and let's execute this thing here. Let's execute. Okay, so started working on this thing. So chat from template, LLM equals to chat from template. I did a mistake here, so it should be chat OpenAI. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's working. Okay, all done. Okay, it came. So let's do something with Pythagorean theorem. Okay, let's do it. Let's clear. Okay, let's see. Okay, let it run. Then we'll be going to use a runnable to convert that to into a very easy thing. Okay, see the uses of Pythagorean theorem here. Now I'll be going to convert that into a less number of lines, right? So how to achieve that? So we'll be going to use dot pipe function. Okay, so dot pipe function is actually going to help you to do that. Okay, so for that what we'll do, we'll be going to do something. Okay, let's do something from here. I just want to divide this thing from LangChain. Okay, core dot runnable import runnable parallel, import runnable parallel. Okay, now what we'll do, now we'll be going to actually create a second chain. So compose chain. Okay, okay, so now what will happen, I'll be going to create a compose chain. Runnable parallel. So runnable parallel is actually something like this. Okay, so now this. Okay, in runnable parallel we'll be going to cause couple of things. So we'll be going to um, pass this thing first. Okay, this thing will be coming here. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, right, and then we can easily write dot pipe. Okay, and we can write in the pipe, we'll be going to, this pipe will be replaced by this thing, so we'll be going to write final prompt. Okay, and in the next line it will be dot pipe. Okay, there will be going to write LLM, right, and dot pipe will be going to write their output parser. Okay, str output parser, like this. It is done. Okay, now we can actually going to call, basically I can write this thing as a final chain. Okay, final chain, and here what we'll do, uh, I can easily copy this thing from here. Okay, final chain dot invoke, like this. Okay, so now if you see, uh, we can use this thing as well like this. So for that thing, let me actually, yeah, I think we can easily skip this two part. Okay, okay, I'm just going to comment out this part over here, but at the time of learning or practice you can adjust it accordingly. If I execute the same thing, same output will be going to get. Okay, so what it is saying, the dictionary object has no attribute called pipe. Just hold on. Why it is saying so? Runnable parallel. Aha, I did a mistake here. So this runnable parallels actually discomposed. Okay, okay. Let me do something for you. I did a mistake here. It will be like this. Okay, and this entire thing will be like this. Okay, that is the thing. I did a mistake. Okay, runnable parallel is something like this. Okay, okay. So now this will work. Okay, you see everything from here, and now this entire thing again I can easily do it. So final underscore 10 equal to same thing, but this time it will be runnable parallel. Let's do it. Let's write this thing first. There is another way of doing it. Runnable parallel, then dot pipe. Inside the pipe, I can write everything one by one. So final prompt, okay, LLM and str output parser like this. I can easily write in that way. Okay. So and then you can copy and paste it here. So basically there are three ways of doing it. So again, I'm not going to I'm just going to again comment out the thing. Okay. So hopefully at the time of practice you can adjust it accordingly. Okay. Let's execute. So this is the most advanced easy way of doing it. Okay. Remember. So always prompt will be coming first, then the model and then the parser. Okay. Everything came. Guys, that is how you can achieve like parallelism or parallel processing within your chain using runnable parallel. Okay. Okay. So hopefully you guys will like the video and let me know if you have any concerns or doubt. But trust me guys, it's a very advanced concept now I'm targeting, because we all know how to create chain, we all know how to get input and output from the chains, right? So these things are going to give you some sort of like extra edge whenever you are going to deal with like some large scale project, or maybe if you are going to deal with some sort of interviews, because in the interview they are going to ask you this sort of questions, some advanced topics which will help you to help or maybe help them to differentiate between you or other candidates, and also it will help you to develop or like some nice and clean LLM application for large scale integration or large scale enterprise grade companies, right? Okay, so that's it for today. Before I conclude, I would like to ask all of you to subscribe to my channel if you are new to our playlist or channel. If you see if you see that this is the 123th video, so there are more than 122 videos are already uploaded. So please go to my channel, find the playlist and start watching them from the beginning. And please, for token of appreciation, try to help me by by clicking on the bell notification icon. Try to subscribe to my channel, hit the um, like button as well, and please try to put some positive feedback or negative feedback, it doesn't matter, but just try to put some honest feedback so that people will identify this video helpful, and YouTube also going to promote my videos, because until and unless you guys are not engaged with my channel, my subscriber count will not grow and YouTube will not going to push my videos. So I would like to reach large number of audience and I need your help guys. Please help me. I want all of you to subscribe to my channel. Okay. So that's it guys. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you.